Hi viewers, welcome to Kaithozil channel. Today in our channel we are going to see this pencil bookmarks. See, I have made it in a pencil shape. You can use it as a bookmark. So I am using two colors in this pattern. So what we need for this is, we need two colors of yarn, woolen yarn, and I am using 4 mm size crochet needle and a scissors. See, before continuing my pattern, I want you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red color subscribe button and pressing the bell icon for further notifications. See, first make a slip knot. First make a slip knot like this. It's very easy pattern and it's very beginner friendly pattern. First make 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you make 30 chains. See, if you are using a bigger size, if your yarn is very thick, you can make the chains according to it. The basic length is 6 inches. Up to 6 inches I am making this chains. So for my size I am using 30 chains. So according to your thickness of your yarn, you can do the chain according to your 6 inches. Okay. So I made 30 chains. Now from the fourth chain, see, the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth chain, make 1 double crochet. See, yarn over the needle, insert the needle in the chain, yarn over it, pull through this. There will be 3 loops present. Again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops, and then yarn over it, leave the 2 loops. That is your double crochet. So you have to repeat it in the next stitch also. See, yarn over it and pull through this. There will be 3 loops present. Again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops. Again yarn over it, leave the 2 loops. Like this you are going to do 1 double crochets in each chains in this first row. Make 1 double crochets in each chains like this. See, I made this 1 double crochets in each rows. See, now for the turning, see, we usually do 3 chains like this. See, 1, 2, 3, and then we turn the work and do the double crochets. But now I am going to show you a different type to turn your work. See, what I am going to do means, see, first in the same stitch itself, you just insert a hook and yarn over it and pull through this. There will be 2 loops present. Again yarn over it, pull through the 2 loops like we are doing a single crochet. And then again in one loop you have to going to insert it and do the single crochet again. Okay. So in this way, if you turn the work, you will get a even edges. See, like this you will get a even edges. So I am turning it in this way. So you have to do, and then you continue your double crochets in the back loops of each stitches. See, there will be 2 loops present. In the back loops you continue your double crochets like this. See, like this you make 1 double crochets in the back loops alone. See here, the back loops alone, make 1 double crochets in each stitch. Like this you continue. I'll meet you at the end of this row, second row. See, I finished. See, at the end, make 1 double crochets in the top of the third chain. Okay. See, again for turning the work, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and in the same loop take 1 loop and do the single crochet there. Okay, and then do 1 double crochets in the back loops of each stitches like this. Turning alone, you should make the single crochets, 2 single crochets, 1 in the same loop and second single crochet in the loops, same loops. Okay, so like this you make 1 double crochets for the third and fourth row. Continue the pattern and then finish this off. So I made the pencil's base. Okay, so now we are going to make that sharp edges by using the second color. So for this, take a light color like this and then make a slip knot. See, take the second color and then insert it through this and do 1 single crochets. See, first do 1 single crochet in the same stitch here and then make 1 single crochet in the next one, the gap. You should not do in the gap, you should insert it in the stitch and do it. So like this, make 1 single crochets. You will get 7 single crochets and then 1 in the intermediate next link, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7th and the last stitch. Okay, so make 1 single crochet like this and then for the next row, see, turn the work and leave the first link, first stitch, leave it and then do 1 single crochets in the next stitches like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make it in the last one 6. Okay, next turn the work, and make leave 1 stitch, first stitch, and then in the next stitch do the single crochet. See, leave the same stitch and in the next stitch do 1 single crochet. So like this, make 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, next again turn the work, leave the first stitch and make 1 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now again turn the work, leave the first stitch and then make 1 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and then 3. Now you have to change the color for that sharp edge. Okay, so I'm cutting this yarn off and then take the same color. I'm using the same color as the base and then make a slip knot like this and then insert it here. See, like this. Insert the next color and then turn the work. So I'm just putting the knot to get it secured, the 2 edges, and then turn the work, make 1 single crochet in the same stitch and then make 1 in the next stitch and then make 1 in the next stitch, so that you will be getting 3 and then turn the work. See, now leave the first stitch and make the 2 single crochets in the next stitches. Okay, and then again turn the work. So make 1 single crochet and see, 1 single crochet in the same stitch and then make another single crochet in the next stitch, and then again turn the work, make only one single crochet in the next stitch and finish it off. Okay, like this, and then trim the excesses. See, I finished the pencil. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can extend the bottom. So I'm going to do the bottom with the, so I'm using the light color which I used before. Make a slip knot, and then at the edges, bottom edge, make a slip knot by inserting the needle at the corner. Make one single crochets. So you will get 7 single crochets in this row. Make one single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6, and then 7. Okay, at the edge make the 7 single crochets. Now turn your work, okay, and make one single crochet in the same stitch, and then make one single crochet in the next 6 stitches. So you will get 7 single crochets like this. So I used this light color yarn for the 2 rows. Like this, and again take that bright color yarn and then make a slip knot and repeat the same pattern for the 3 more rows in the bright color. This, change the color and then make one single crochets in each stitches like this. For the 3 more rows, okay, so totally you will be having 7 single crochets in each row. So like this you continue. I will meet you at the end of my 3rd row. See, I finished this. See how it's looking. See, it's looking like a color pencil. So cut the excesses and trim the edges like this. So you can use it as a bookmark. So it will be very stylish and very pretty. So there are many more patterns available in my channel like this, and it will be very easy for the beginners to work with it. and you can experience the very great way of crocheting. So to view further videos, like, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on my channel. Thank you for watching this video.